Okay, so some important points from this lecture. There are three different types of plate boundaries. They're divergent, transform, and convergent. Divergent experience extensional forces, creates mid-ocean ridge, and we can see some mid-continental rifting in divergent plate boundaries. Some good examples of that are the Mid-Atlantic Ridge for a mid-ocean ridge and the East Africa Rift for some continental rifting. Transform plate boundaries experience shear forces, and they offset landforms and streams. So they move past each other, plates moving past each other rather than running into each other or running away from each other. A great example, and probably the most famous example of a transform plate boundary, is the San Andreas Fault right here in the good old US of A. And then the third plate boundary is the convergent plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary, we have compressional forces, lots of different features associated with those convergent plate boundaries, and several different sub boundary types that we talked about. So I encourage you to go back and review those slides to get a good understanding of the convergent plate boundaries.